Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Noor here from forex.com. Today I've come along later to discuss about Forex Intermediate and Advanced course part 2. The discussion topic is mt4 software settings. So first of all, the disclaimer: trade to your own risk. Please remember that whatever I expose to you, that doesn't guarantee anything for future. Let's get started of detail of this topic, what you will be learning after this lecture. So mt4 software settings. In the mt4 software settings, the option settings, template settings, indicator settings, customization and indicator settings, installation indicators and settings, object settings, and cursor settings. So today this mt4 software is too much important. No matter you are advanced or you are very beginner, you still need to go through all these settings. If they are seems perfect to you, that means you are either intermediate or advanced level user. So you have to go through all these settings. Please watch it carefully. Okay, first of all, I'd like to show you that after you have opened this chart here, let's press onto the F8. Okay, the F8 on your keyboard at the top, at the middle, that is written F8. Press onto the F8, then you will pop up a window over there, and you can see these two numbers of tab. One is called color, another one is called common. So this is how you will be setting up your chart. Okay, so here what you have to do is, in the color, you just whatever color you like. Let's say I would like to set this black color background color to the white color, so let's turn it to the white color. But please take note that those people who are usually using the mt4 most of the time and sitting onto the computer watching the graphs, you must turn the background to the black color so that your eye can be protected. Okay, now for demonstration purpose and doing the video, it is very best idea to have the white color background. This is why I have actually I'm gonna set this to the white color. And foreground, of course, this foreground has to be something color like whatever color you like, but I choose the gray color. This is the below one grid. The grid should be any color, but for me, I always turn off the grid from the chart. If you don't turn off the grid, so how does it looks? Let me see. Let you see, this is the grid, and grid in the chart. This chart looks like too much ugly for me. Now take out the grid, and if you say okay, then you see everything is gone very shortly. And just now I've turned this background from the black color to the white in colors. That's why it has set white background color immediately. You see, this was the background color. And now for the bull candle, always has to be either green color or lime color, whatever you like, but you also can choose any other color. So usually bull and bull candle up, these two color, put it into the same color, then you will be seeing a solid color over there. And for the bear color, it is red in color usually, so just put it into the red. And then the most important here is that if you wanna have line chart or candlestick chart or bar chart, also can choose from here. Also you can choose it from the your toolbar over here, as you can see over there. Follow my cursor over there, hover over point. Okay, this is the line chart, this is candlestick chart, this is bar chart, this is line chart, this is candlestick chart. Right now we are at the candlestick chart, the middle here. So this is what about it. I just strongly recommend you go through everything, you just go through, put some tick and put some of the option, you just untick and then put okay, then you will be learning very easily. So this is how the settings for the chart is we will be working for you. And for the second thing I want to show you, another important thing is the tools option, tools tab over there. Go to the option, and if you can just press to your keyboard Ctrl+O. So let me click on it, and then we are here already. So here is the chart. How many chart do we want? Actually, if our internet speed is too very high and our computer is able to take too much load, then we will just can choose any maximum numbers of bar in chart and bar in history. But if that is not, then we can choose the minimum number of bar in chart and bar in history. You also can minimize this one to, well, let's say 500. No, that is not a issue. This one also can be 500 or less than 500. Okay, but minimum 5000 is better for you, better. Okay, for setting up the chart, because you also need to scroll through back some of the pricing action and then charting pattern. That's why 5000 minimum is the best, and maximum you can go as long as you want, but you also can go to the maximum numbers of the bar in chart. Okay, so in the chart, other thing is if you make sure all this has been ticked properly. This is default in tick. You also can be matched to your trading settings over there, so that anything doesn't miss up. If anything miss up or you got any problem over there into your desktop or your mt4 chart over there, you can directly message me or just can comment onto the YouTube, so that I can help you immediately. And other thing is, let's go to the object over there. So this was the important settings into the option tab there. Option tab there. Yes, not option tab. That was in tools tab and option there. And then we have another is tab that is called the server. Now the server is too much important. If you don't really choose the correct server, then your chart won't be updated, and it will say waiting for update, and it will not connect to your trading platform. That will say error or something like invalid or not connected or disconnected, that kind of error into your mt4 software. Okay, so make sure you just put the email into whatever server has been sent to you, and then login detail you must put it in correctly. And the other thing is, you can disable this enable news. Actually, you don't really need to enable the news. That will, if you enable the news, that will slow down your computer, and also it might take some of the internet speed from you, so that then your graph or whatever chart you are using, that might slow down. And other thing is you trade. This is another too much important tab here in the option. So you go to the symbol and default over there, it must set to the automatic, and you also can set it to the last use. That means which trade, the size of the symbol by default you use the last time, that will be used here automatically. Okay, you also can set it to the default and then can put it some kind of default settings, let's say euro USD or whatever is there. You just can choose over there, but this should be in automatic. Whatever you want, that should be automatically loaded. And size by default, this should be this is too much important. I can't stress enough that this is the part of the money management. If you don't apply it properly, then you are gone. Let's say you last use is in case you use last time is 0.3 lot. So 3 lot is two very big lot, and then if you used your last lot and then now the trading, maybe the trading chart condition is different, then you want to reduce the volume of your trading size. Then what should you do? You must you cannot just put it into the last use. You always have to be put it into the minimum by default. For me, I think that is best suit to you according to your account and according to your money management, that how much you are able to or how much you tolerate to lose your money. That should be your default setting. So this is too much important. I mean, you can set it to the 0.01 lot or 0.02 lot or 0.05 lot, that means 50 cent, or 0.01 lot 10 cent, or here is $1. Okay, so for me, I just usually set it to the 0.01 by default. And then let's say I give you an example here. Let's say I want to trade here. Let's say buy limit, then you see sell limit over there, sell limit, buy limit, whatever limit you want to set, then it will just give you the default volume size. Okay, this is too much important. So I strongly recommend you to set it to the minimum volume, minimum trading volume by default. Okay, and let's see what we have the next one. Expert advisor is another one that is if you trade with the robot, and then this is required, otherwise not, and then just leave it to the as it is and don't touch them. Enable push notification. If you enable, then take some of the space of your internet. You don't really need to notify all the kind of thing. This is the enable of the SMTP server. If you have any special SMTP server, then you just can put in the server detail here, and then put in the server login detail, your password, then your email address, all that kind of thing, and then you can test your email. But usually we don't need that one. Okay, that is all. Okay, that is all. And this is another important thing, that event means that let's say I wanna see that just I have analyzed my chart, and after having analyzed, then I saw that the price might be going up to there. Okay, let's say the price can be go up to there. I realized that the price can be going up to there. Sorry for that. Let me put yeah. So I have realized that let's say I have realized that the price will be move up to there. So the current price is let's say current price is here, now it is going down. So it is better for me to give you an example of the downtrend by example. So let's say I don't want to buy over there, so I want to buy here exactly. So we usually will be buying at the low and selling at the high. And as you can see, this is a symmetrical triangle has been made, and this price should be going down here, and then it should be pushing up. In this case, I don't want to trade over there. What I want to do is I just want to set a notification, okay, or alarm. So I just go onto the chart at the price, and then put it right click on it, and then go to the trading, and we do the alert over there. And you see the little arrow over there, we have made an trading alert over here, and once the price crossing down this one, we will receive a buy alert, buy pending order alert, that the price has been reached to our notification, our price level. Now please go ahead and trade, or see the condition of the trade, whatever, see the condition of the chart or pattern, that whatever we intended to do. So this is the software and pro tips and tricks that very rare people tell you. Okay, so this is very important for the technical analysis or whatever analysis or price action people, that if they want to have their own, they want to have their own price to execute, then they put it this alarm over there, and then the market reaching over there, market gives them a notification or give them alert. Okay, also give them some kind of sound, and they come back to here to do the analyze and do the trade analyze and do trade again. And so this was very important things that I had to highlight here. Okay, so this one must be enabled. Okay, in case you do your own analysis, okay, you wanna have your own alarm, you must do on this way. And then the other thing is template. I have to show you. This is, you see, this is the toolbar here, all these are toolbar. Go to the template. Okay, and from there I strongly recommend that you don't go to the chart over there and find some kind of thing, template here, time frame here. That is very lengthy process. So I strongly recommend you to remember all this the toolbar. What is this toolbar is, you must remember them, then you can execute them properly and handle them properly into your trading system. So let's say this is the template template option here. So just click onto the arrowhead down there, and as you can see, I have too many template has been saved. So we can just click any one of them, and then we'll be able to see whatever we have had saved. Okay, this is the template I have saved for me to doing the analysis of any other purpose or something else. Okay, but now let's say I wanna save this template here. Let's say I wanna have some kind of sorry, let me revert it back. Okay, let's say I have analyzed the market. Okay, then now what I wanna do, I don't wanna every time come back and see my trading analysis is gone, my all this line and trend line or whatever else is already have gone. Then this would be very tedious for me to do it every time. But what I want to do is I really want to put save my analysis here. So according to my analysis, I knew that the market will go up to there, maybe above over there, and then it will continue go down again. So what can I do is I want to save this template. Okay, so let's say this is Euro OD. So let's say save as templates. Make sure this file name has been templates file. Okay, and then put your template name. So usually what you can do is Euro OD. Okay, H4 chart, you can put Euro OD H4. Okay, let's say show you one Euro OD H4. Okay, let's say this is what I wanna save as the name as. So save. Now I wanna let's say you have come back from you have opened up the mt4 platform newly. now you wanna go back to your previous template. So let's say this is the GBP Swiss franc. Now you go back to your previous template over there. So what you should do, you just go to the previous template over there, you do ODH4, okay, go to there, and now this is still in the chart of GBP Swiss franc, okay. Then choose the correct pairs of the to get back the chart here. As you can see, this is the chart, this was what I have saved, and this is what came back again. And this is the pro tips that you must apply to your trading system. And in order to save everything, in order to save your energy, save your analysis, save your thinking, you also can write whatever you want and can save them as a template over there. So this is ridiculous, and you must implement to your trading strategy so that you can save a lot of time over there, okay. So this is a pro tips. And other thing that you also can import the template over there. You see that you also can remove the template. Let's say I want to remove this template won't have any more. If you remove it, then asking you to give you the confirmation. If you say yes, and then as you can see, there are no more the template anymore at that name, that has been removed from the template list. And if you go to the load template, let's say someone has been given you a template, then you want to load it, so you can load it from there, okay. So how to load it? Okay, you just can load it like this. Let's say I want to load this template from internally. If you wanna, this is loading internally. Let's say the template you want to load it from the outside of the template, outside somebody has given you, then what you have to do is go to the file and go to the open data folder, okay. And from there you go to the template, and that file you have to copy here. So for an example, I need to give you an example here. Let's say I have cut this this template from here and then put it onto my desktop, okay. Now this template has been, for example, has been given, somebody has given me for me to use it to my trading platform. So what can I do is I wanna go to this open data folder, and as you will see, there is no more this given template anymore, because I already have cut it out. So now I want to replace that template here. So what I should do is go to there and I just cut it or copy it and paste it back here, and then you'll see the template is already arrived into this trading platform here. The another pro tips is that somebody will be teaching you that after you copying your indicator or all kind of templates into your software, then you have to shut it down, close it down, and re-it open. But I don't recommend it to do it, because I want you to save the time and energy. So you just click onto the navigator here, you go to the navigator and then click, and then go to refresh. After you refreshing, then you can see all the indicator list and all the template list and all kind of script or trading robot. Everything will be updated at once, very fast. As you can see, this was the template just have been taken, okay, this template here. So let's click on it. As you can see, the template has been loaded, okay. So this is how it will be loaded. So take it note. This is another pro tips for you, okay. Keep it noted. Okay, so furthermore, I still need to teach you how to load the custom indicator. So let's say this is still the same process. You whatever you want to load, go to the file and then go to the open file folder, and then you go to, as you can see, there is the template folder, and you also will be seeing that MQL4. Go to the MQL4 inside, because this is the MQL4 platform. Okay, so over there you will see the indicator folder. Then you just as I have shown you previously, that just copy and paste your indicator over here, and you can use your custom indicator. Okay, use your custom indicator here, and you must remember that you go to the navigator over here, and then you have to refresh it, otherwise you could not see the indicator that is replaced to your trading platform. Okay, so this is how you will use the custom indicator to into your how you will load and use the custom indicator into your mt4. And other thing is that you must see that all the indicator here, let's see here, you can see a lot of indicator here, and all this indicator has different indicator has different kind of settings. So I cannot stress enough to learn all that kind of thing for you to practice and see whatever indicator you are using. Okay, so different settings, you must master them. There is a lot. Okay, I cannot actually show you exactly each of them and teach you all the things at this platform here at this time. Okay, so learn it. It will nothing will cost you. That will improve your skill of the using software. So let's say this is what called alligator indicator is. Okay, so that's it. Okay, just drag and drop. You can just go ahead and go to their navigator over here, and after going to the navigator, then you see the little plus line here, plus sign. Click onto plus sign, and you can use any of the indicator. Just drag and drop over here, and you see a lot of fancy indicator, all this kind of thing, all that kind of thing over here. Okay, so I see if I have missed out any other thing. Let me see. Object setting, right? I have told you about the indicator, customization indicator, and templates. So object settings is the another issue that if you want to remove this the window here, just right click onto it and then go to the delete window, delete indicator window, and you want to clean up all this indicator from here, from the chart. So what should you do is just go right click and go to the indicator list. You will see the list of indicator on this chart has been placed, and just go over there and delete it forever. Okay, and then you will get it back as your previous previous window, right? Clean window. Now you wanna clean it much more as we had previously at the white in background. So what should we do is just go ahead and click onto there, and previously I think I should open up a new one, then we'll be getting that immediately, because this is my default template. So what is the default template is? The default template is that every time you open a chart, it will open at that template, particularly whatever you have set. This is the tips that nobody will teach you. I have taught you. Just keep it in mind and use it. Please be with me and stay with me all the time, so that I can teach you everything the pro tips and tricks. The object, let's say you have the object here, drawn here and there. So what should you do? All this what could you do is that you want to set up all these objects here. So this is the objects, this is the objects, this is the tools. Okay, objects. So all these objects, you just you need to, first of all, you need to select it. Okay, see the unselect and select. So you will see selected, and then you just go ahead and go to the properties, and then you will see the particular indicator or tools, whatever is that. You can see the settings, and there you go. Every settings, every indicator, every tools have different kind of settings. So let's say this object here, okay, let's say if this is the condition of not selected of the trend line. If there is the selected trend line, then just double click on it and it will give you this dotted square dotted over there. That means this has been selected. So let's go and right click onto it, and then trend line properties, and there we go. We have the another setting over here. We can see, okay, see it easily. And if you take out the ray, that means you are taking out the unlimited trend line direction. Okay, so let's see it taken out, and then you see the trend line. This trend line will not be unlimitedly went through. As you can see, this trend line went through to the unlimited as much as you want. You can see this trend line has been plotted, but this trend line does not plot all the way because this isn't the ray in setting. So this is ray in setting, this isn't ray in setting, so must remember it. Okay, and you wanna get it back, so go back and right click and go to the ray, and there we go. We have the another ray in setting trend line over there. Now I believe I have already almost completed everything. Only left a small thing, that is the call cursor or crosshair, or somebody call cursor. Okay, so crosshair is this. As you can see, my hover over things over there, the hover over pointer over there, and this pointer actually is called the cursor. If you just click onto your mouse and just click onto your mouse once, not mouse, at the middle wheel, okay, there is a right click, left click, and the middle wheel of your mouse. Okay, so your mouse must be with the three things. One is left click, right click, and then another one is called wheel. Okay, I just click onto the wheel, then you will see the cursor. This is called the cursor, okay, or crosshair, whatever you say. And by this I have finished the settings of mt4 part 3, and I'll be coming back with you any other pro tips and tricks. I strongly recommend you to learn all these toolbar. Okay, all this toolbar. Another important thing that I have to show you, this toolbar, you can shift it down and put it here, and you can just do your own study. Okay, do your own study. You can move this. I already have shown you in my previous video that this can be removable. So this is removable, all these are removable. Okay, you just drag and drop and place it. You can place it back over there. This is removable, and you also can just move around to it. So that's it, guys, and please subscribe, be with me. I'll be publishing much more video and pro tips, hacks that will improve your trading strategy and improve your knowledge. Bye bye. Thank you.